Hi everyone, I am once again here with the Madhubani DIY art kit by Solobolo. So, if you remember in the previous video, I had painted two of the coasters that I got from the DIY kit. So, today we would be starting with the rest of the two coasters. So, let's start. So, the coaster that I've chosen today has two fishes. This time I'm just letting my imagination flow and the colors have been chosen randomly. So let's see how this overall turns out. Please enjoy the process. This is the completed coaster with the fish pattern. So I've chosen orange and white to color the fish and rest of the random colors in the background. Hope you liked it. Now, like the previous coasters, what I did is I tried to do the border with a black pen just to give a finishing touch to it, and once the black bordering were completed, I painted the coaster with the varnish paint. And this is the final look of the coaster. Here is the last coaster from the DIY kit. It has an elephant pattern on it. Do watch this till the end to enjoy the whole process of painting the coaster. Here we have the final look of the elephant pattern. This is the coaster stand that I had shown you in my first video. So I just painted it black overall and just painting few flowers on it. Let's see how it turns out. So I've painted all the 4 coasters that were there with the DIY kit. Let me show you all 4 of it on the stand. If you have not watched the first part of this coaster painting, please do check out my YouTube channel for more detailed video on the first 2 coasters from the DIY kit. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed while painting it. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please do visit my channel and check out the videos in it. And do not forget to subscribe.